Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to download mobile games using Netflix. So let's get started. First, open the Netflix app on your device. In the Netflix home screen, you can see the mobile games section. Swipe right or left and select the mobile game that you want to download. Once you find the game, simply tap on it to open its details page. Now you will see an option that says Get Game. Tap on it and this will start the download process for the game. And that's it. This is how you can download mobile games using Netflix. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.